If you want to install the Deep Glow plugin in After Effects, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Deep Glow After Effects. Click on the first website that appears. If you want to buy the plugin, click on Add to Cart, but if you just want to try it for free, click on Try and your download will start. Once the download is complete, open File Explorer and go to the folder where you downloaded the Deep Glow plugin. Open the zip file and extract its contents. Now, copy the Deep Glow file. Next, go to your C drive, then open Program Files. Inside, find the Adobe folder, then open the Common Files folder. Here, you will see a folder named Plugins. Open it, then open the folder that has a number on it. Inside, open the MediaCore folder. This is where all your After Effects plugins are stored. Now, paste the copied Deep Glow file into this folder. Open After Effects and go to the Effects and Presets panel. Search for Deep Glow, and as you can see, the plugin is installed successfully. That's how you install Deep Glow in After Effects.